connaître les adeptes de la divinité, il suffit de regarder à leur visage pour voir les traits de scarification, 2 sur le front, 2 à chaque temple et 2 à chaque jour. C'est ça que nous appelons ici de façon régulière les 2 x 5. Le tout ça fait 10 au visage. Lorsqu'on divise le visage en 2 parties, on voit 5 scarifications d'un côté et 2 de l'autre. Pourquoi est-ce que les adeptes se scarifient comme ça? Ils le font comme ça juste pour se ressembler au python.
Welcome back to my search for freedom. We are still in Ouidah, now visiting the Python's temple. Actually, the Python's temple is in Ouidah. It's a city in Benin. That Python temple is visited by many tourists worldwide every year. According to our tour guide, this hut is the most sacred in the temple because inside there is an altar of the Python deity. The priest and the followers are there to give offerings, to do rituals and ceremonies. This hut is over 300 years old. It was recently renovated in 1992. These pillars were added as well as the roof to cover the hut against bad weather like the rain and the sun. But there are rules that must be followed before going into the hut. Among other rules, no shoes indoors, no hat on your head, and women on the period also do not go there. If someone manages to break one of these rules, the person must purify himself before continuing to attend the ritual. The guide is showing us some other important things in the yard of the temple, such as the hut for the purification of the people and the hut of protection where only the priest can enter to request protection for the temple, the city of Ouidah, and its people. The third item is a round clay pot that is turned over every 7 years. The last time it was done was in 2017. This year again, they have planned to do it, but the date is not yet confirmed. Before we go to the next step of this video, I would like to warn you that these images that you will see may disturb you. If you think that you cannot watch them, just turn off at this time. You don't need to continue watching the video. Now it's the time for some of us to take pictures with one of the pythons that is used for that purpose. Don't worry, it's a very calm and very inoffensive animal. But I know some people don't really like to look at serpents or to see them, to touch them, to put them on their neck like we are doing now, like our visitors are doing. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. See you in the next video.